Meet Lena, overwhelmed by too many tools. Emails, chats, documents, tasks, it's slowing her down. With Lathran Suite, real-time messaging keeps Lena's team connected. Quick decisions and smooth conversations, all in one place. All of Lena's files are organized with Lathran Suite. Sharing, collaborating, and finding documents is now effortless. Lena quickly builds forms using a tabular interface. Users add entries, and Lathran Suite visualizes them as cards, streamlining data collection and analysis. Managing tasks and tickets is simple. Lena assigns, tracks, and resolves issues fast, right within Lathran Suite. Whether Lena's at her desk or on the go, Lathran Suite works on any device, keeping her team connected anywhere. Lena's team is now more productive and connected. One app, 5 solutions, total success. Unlock your team's potential with Lathran Suite. Try it free today. One app for all your work.